Tina Jessen here from the Experience Academy of Client Attraction and Marketing Magic. This is your invitation to join me in my in-person business growth workshop, Secret Marketing Magic, how to attract high quality, magically aligned clients without selling your soul. Based on my ebook of the same name, which you can download for free at theexperienceacademy.com. That's THEXPERIENCE academy.com. Held at my home in Brownsburg on Wednesday, May 14th, and repeated on Saturday, May 18th from 11 a.m. till 3 p.m. If you have a strong desire for positive change and want to build connection, community, purpose, and prosperity, then this workshop is for you. Sign up on the link below, and I look forward to seeing you really soon.